Okay, I'm sure other people have had the same problem where the grub screw or set screw that holds on the brake disc has been sheared off, and we're going to get it out. So what I'm going to do is I've cleaned it up a little bit. I'm going to put down a washer like that and then weld straight into the center of it. We'll use a vice grip just to hold the side of it, just so it doesn't walk around when I'm welding it. I'm just going to put a big blob of weld down in the center of it, and hopefully that'll be enough to catch what's left of it, get it out, and the washer will stop any excess weld from touching the rest of the hub there. Okay, let's try that. Okay, let's give that a go. It's coming out. Check this out. Ta-da! Ha! Brilliant! Super! Okay, done! And that's how you get a sheared bolt out of the hub.